Can I start? Good afternoon, everyone. Hi, I'm Vivian, Executive Director of Singapore Water Association. Thank you for attending our first and only orientation day curated for our new members who joined us in 2020 amidst the pandemic. It has been more than a year since I last stand on stage here, so there's some stage fright going on. Today we will have a snap introduction of 32 members who are here with us and another 6 members online. Thereafter, our media partner, Water and Wastewater Asia, will have a doorstop interview with some selected companies. Before we proceed, I would like to introduce our SWA Council members, President Chu Ming Leong, ST Marine, Vice President Dr. Adrian Yeo from Sembcorp, Mr. Si Yao Shin, Black and Veg, Dr. Zhou Dong from UES, and Mr. Kuna Shaw from Energia. And of course, not to miss my fellow colleagues, Cecilia, Jasvinder, and Lily. Next, some safety measures and housekeeping rules to follow. For online attendees, please mute your microphone and turn off your camera upon entry to ensure a better connectivity. Please post any question in the chat during the Q&A segment. We will send a post-events follow-up to all attendees for any P2P meeting requests. For online attendees like yourself here, kindly wear your mask at all times. Please be seated at your table and do not interact or mingle. No exchanging of name cards or greetings. Please bin your own garbage before leaving the hall. SWA was formed in February 2004 as a trade association to represent and promote the interests of Singapore companies in the local water sector. Today, we have 275 members from an initial 9 founding members in 2004. And we aspire to have 300 members by end of this year. In terms of international partnerships, we have signed MOUs with a few foreign embassies, trade centers, research and learning institutes, and even forming alliances with other organizations. We hope through these partnerships, we can further groom the Singapore companies. These are some of our member companies. They are part of the water value chain represented by system integrators, EPC, OEMs, MNC, LLE, SME, as well as startups. For the benefits of yet to be members, SWA has 4 tiers of membership: ordinary, associate, institutional, and individual. Please find out more from Lily, and I look forward to welcome you on board at our other events. There are advertising opportunities on SWA website. Currently, we have Viola and Aviva taking up the space after WDA and Imagine H2O last year. Our website is quite informative, and you can download our events calendar under announcement. This demonstrates the activities of SWA at a glance. For past 16 years, we have led and organized local companies overseas to participate in water shows under the Singapore Pavilion. Regionally, we have also organized overseas and trade missions to Munich, Israel, Taiwan, Melbourne, Nanjing, Vietnam, Myanmar, Indonesia, Thailand, and Philippines. Fostering global partnerships continues with virtual conferences, webinars, and visits despite COVID times. Since April 2020, we have conducted virtual tours to PUB Choa Chu Kang Waterworks, Ulu Pandan Water Reclamation Plant, and Experimental Power Grid Center at Jurong Island. Starting July, we have also starting to conduct online masterclass training courses for the water professionals. SWA is working closely with our members to help stabilize and resume operations amidst COVID. We have initiated our SG United Updates, SWA Assist, SWA Watch, and we have also launched the Marketplace Assist platform, MET in short, for our members to seek help from fellow members with cross-resource matching. More information can be found on our website, or you can contact Jasvinder to find out more. The quarterly Singapore Water Industry Night is a highlight in our calendar of activities. It has always been well attended, creating a useful platform for our members to exchange ideas and forge deals. This year, we are planning to create branch events on a smaller scale due to the governing restrictions. For 2021, we have planned 9 training courses, whereby certificates with PDU credits will be issued upon course completion. You can find more course details on our website or from Cecilia, our association manager. If you have specific topics in mind, we can also customize for your employees. So do approach us for such a package. Besides these 4 webinars, we may collaborate with more of our associates and partners to share knowledge and expertise. Stay tuned for more updates from our website. Join us in these hybrid events beyond the computer screens to explore more business opportunities and maximize your sales leads. EDNs will be shared at least 2 to 3 weeks before the event. This year, we are also partnering with PUB Singapore Water Exchange on Water Utility Series and Industrial Water Series. More are underway, so keep a lookout from our website updates. Well, we may not be having overseas missions, but locally, we are planning 5 technical visits this year, just like Singapore's staycation. Details will be provided and narrated to the visits. And we apologize for limited place as first come, first served registration and exclusive for our members only. This year, SIWW will be a physical event at Marina Bay Sands Convention Center from 21st to 24th June. It will be SWA Flagship Water Show in 2021 with a grant support from Enterprise Singapore of up to 70% on participating fees. So Singapore companies do join us for this flagship event. Singapore overseas pavilions will be organized in Thailand, Jakarta, Myanmar, Israel, Vietnam, and Philippines, with potential grant support of up to 50% on participating fees. Please contact Jasvinder again for above water shows. Thank you for all your kind patience. Without further ado, let us welcome our new members with big applause on stage for their 2-minute introduction. Members, the floor is yours. So we have Mr. Boyer, Cliff Boyer from Badger Metre first.
Good afternoon, members of SWA. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Clive Boy from Badger Metre. Thank you for this opportunity for me to share with the companies. Badger Metre is an integrated technology company providing a comprehensive suite of flow measurement, connectivities and software, analytics solutions to a diverse customer base. We are an industrial leader in North America water metering with a developing global position in flow metering solutions. With a stable business model sustaining more than 115 years of operation with 1,600 employees worldwide. The company was founded in 1905 in Milwaukee, USA, and it has been a stock exchange list since 1971. The company has continued reinvestment in water technology, building a broad portfolio of solutions, culture of innovations, and investment in R&D drive new product, service, expansion, acquisition strategy alike to integrate key vertical technologies. In the global footprint, we have 7 manufacturing facilities, 7 sales offices, and 2 innovation R&D centers. Our focus market cover utilities, municipal water, wastewater, HVAC, building automation system, sustainability and corporate ESG reporting requirements. Our company product portfolio cover a wide range of ultrasonics, residential, commercial, water meter, flow meters, control valve, and analytics for water quality monitoring. In our smart water event management for sensor to cloud, we provide visualization, integration of existing data, and hydraulic models provide holistic views of water network for all utility stakeholders. With our smart operation scenario simulations for an improved operational strategy, which includes monitoring, automatic real-time detections of events, decisions dashboard with key performance indicator for business intelligence and decisions making, and last but not least, and data connectivities to SCADA at the device from cloud. Hence, we at Badger Meter provide a full spectrum of flow measurement and control monitoring device to manage and optimize operations for our value customer. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kenji. I'm from Bangkok. Maybe we need to change the slide first. Is here? Oh, okay. Cool. Hi. Hi. Once again, my name is Kenji. Thank you, everyone, all the members of SWA. So it's our honor that I represent my company here today to share a little bit with you what we do. So basically, we are really just an SME established 10 years ago, and we serve a variety of core industry in Singapore, including the waste management, logistics, construction. So we are an equipment supplier, a system integrator, and over the years, we have developed really from just engineering, focusing on equipment, on trucks, on equipment. And today we are actually serving a lot of waste management companies like Samwaste, Veolia, 800 Super. So we actually essentially support them with the systems, with the equipment, as well as service and repair. And more importantly, during this COVID, our company is also continuing to innovate, research and development in new equipment. And some of this equipment would include food waste recycling system, as well as self-cleaning toilet, which we hope that in the near future, we have more chance to actually work with more members of SWA to share with you more. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, I'm Amit from Biopsin. A very happy and safe new year to everyone. I believe all of us will remember 2020 as for the rest of our lives. The annual probability of a pandemic is less than 1%, but in the year it happens 100%. As for microbial safety, which is what we do, the odds are much, much higher than 1%. Globally, 1 in 10 people fall ill every year because of exposure to pathogens. And as a result, 10 people die every minute. If anything, this pandemic has reinforced the idea that we need to take microbial safety and hygiene more seriously than ever. And so while you are changing the water industry and reshaping the world, we are transforming microbial safety for you. We are a young startup founded by PhDs, and our core team has a combined experience of over 50 years in this area. Our flagship project is to build a next-gen solution for rapid detection of pathogens, but we help companies with any issues related to microorganisms, from source tracking to detection and control. Our goal is to provide next-gen holistic solutions for microbial safety so that the companies we serve won't have to worry about microbial safety and hygiene and keep doing what they do best. So please reach out for a discussion on any issues related to microorganisms. Thank you, and I look forward to making a lot of friends in this community.
How's that talking? Where do you click? Thank you. Okay. Good afternoon, all. My name is Melina. I'm very happy to be here, and thank you for inviting me. So this is a short introduction of Corrosion gas detection. We are a UK company established in the 1970s. We just celebrated our 50 years anniversary. So in Singapore, we are incorporated like 20 years ago. So we've been in the market for a long time. Okay. Since then, we have sold more than 500,000 gas detectors, protecting people, protecting the processes, protecting the equipment against harmful, toxic, flammable gases. Okay. We are the expert in terms of gas detection, sensor technology in the industry. And then we are part of the Halma Group, which is a FTSE 100 listed company. So our product at a glance, we're involved in all sorts of gas detection, personal detection, fixed detection, control panel, sample handling, and very recently we have gone into environmental monitoring, which is to monitor the quality of the air around us, including all the toxic gases, harmful gases. And I look forward to sharing my experience with you, and do approach me if you have any questions. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much for the organizer to organize this event today. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Wei Kiong. I'm from GIA, Singapore. GIA is an engineering firm founded in 1881, so we have 140 years old history in the market. We're currently headquartered in Düsseldorf, Germany. Our business spread across multi-industry, including F&B, pharmaceuticals, marine, energy, and environment. We are one of the top 60 companies that form stock index in MDAX, Germany. In 2019, our company generated 4.9 billion euros of revenue. And currently, we have about 18,000 employees working with us from almost every continent of the world. In Singapore, we have set up our office since 1979 to serve local and regional needs for equipment and engineering services, such as repair, commissioning, and so on of our equipment. We are very happy today that we have been part of SWA, this big family. Let's hope that we can contribute to a more vibrant water industry in Singapore. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for the opportunity today to come and talk to you all. My name is Thomas Dockray. I'm the Managing Director for McConnell Dow. We are an international construction company. We've been based here for just on 40 years, and we've got a long history in Singapore, not just in the general construction industry, but particularly in water. Our business model is very much focusing on complex projects. We run right across the project life cycle. So we start right from the engineering, tackling very difficult jobs, coming up with smart and effective solutions, going right through the procurement process, construction and operations. We largely self-perform a lot of our own projects. And we have a lot of in-house expertise in terms of mechanical expertise, electrical, civil, and other areas. We're stationed here in Singapore. We have about 700 people in the region, and we have a large management team here as well. Thank you for the opportunity.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for the opportunity to speak in this forum. I'm Eugene, representing NSL Oilchem Waste Management. So NSL Oilchem Waste Management is a subsidiary of NSL Limited, which is listed in Singapore Stock Exchange. And NSL Limited is listed in the stock exchange. NSL Oilchem Waste Management, we are specialists in oil and chemical waste management. So we deal with toxic industrial waste, be it solid waste and liquid waste like wastewater, industrial wastewater in Singapore. Predominantly, we are based in Singapore. So today's focus is, I think we will focus more on the industrial waste, which is industrial waste, chemical waste, and also industrial wastewater. We have industrial wastewater complex that deals with waste acid, waste alkaline. We can deal with very high COD wastewater. Also glycol wastewater. We collect a lot of wastewater from various industries in Singapore. For example, the pharmaceutical industries, the oil and gas industries in Jurong Island, and some automotive and also electronics and aerospace companies. So what we have here is we have invested in a new facility back in 2019. And also with this new facility, we are able to do advanced analysis of all the wastewater that the various industries have to dispose of, and we will cater to their the specific specifications of their wastewater, and we will treat it to meet the POV discharge specifications. Please feel free to contact us if there's any inquiries or any wastewater issues or management issues that you face in your operations and you need some assistance on it. Okay, thank you.
Good afternoon for all the members of SWA. Thanks for the opportunity to present our company. Recently, we joined in this SWA forum. As we are the SI company and we are local company, we are representing NISCO Telematics Israel company. We are partnered with them in terms of all the product and services they are offering. So we are offering all the smart meters, ranges from small 15 mm up to 600 mm. We have a full range of communication technologies as well as for the measuring technologies, whether it's ultrasonic meters or jet meters, multi-jet meters. Also in terms of communications, Wi-Fi to LoRa until the NB-IoT. This is a new version of NB-IoT we have rolled out in Singapore also. We have a product and we can offer any pilot and trial those customers needed. We are offering complete solution, end-to-end solution. Apart from our NISCO meters, we also have additional services. This is for the water leak detection, underground water leak detection. We are partnered with Maya International, an Israel company. This is a new services also offering in this region. Okay, so underground water leak detection, leak repair, and asset mapping, underground asset mapping. This will provide all the underground pipings, which will provide in the AutoCAD drawings. That is one of the key services we are providing. Currently, it's very less market penetration in this region, so we are providing that services. So basically, we are taking from the satellite scanning until providing complete solution of what kind of pipes underground, whether it's old or new, all the dimensions, and those are the services we are offering. Yeah, thank you very much.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kaushal Sagar, coming from Bosch, Singapore. I'm representing the corporate research or the R&D department of Bosch here. That's why you see slightly different format of slide as well. But yeah, these are some of the key scientists in our team, and we are working towards a water quality management solution at Bosch. So Bosch has been traditionally active in the area of automotive, let's say, parts, and also into consumer and industrial goods. But Bosch has always been into water business, catering to our own internal customers, something which you don't see it out. But now Bosch has been pushing out slowly into venturing into drinking water and wastewater business as well. And the area of interest for us is to provide end-to-end solution, basically, where we can actually help our customers do water quality management in real time, starting with sensors, basically. And here, of course, we talk about some of the novel sensors which can detect, let's say, interesting but complicated analytes in water and all sorts of water, seawater, wastewater, and drinking water. And then we actually try to cover the whole value chain by getting into the software and finally the solution, where we actually can do even trend prediction and preventive maintenance using machine learning. So that's why it's personally very enriching to meet the industry in Singapore, the stakeholders whom we can partner in future. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Kevin. I'm a project manager actually at DuPont Water Solution. I'm honored today to be here to present our mission statement as well as our extensive product line under the DuPont Water Solutions. Possibilities that flow with water are abundant. DuPont's goal is to continuously pursue pioneering innovation in essential and reliable solutions. Working together with all stakeholders across the globe enables all of us to confidently take hold of opportunities out there to grow a cleaner world together. Our collaborative approach places customer challenges at the heart of our innovation. By working closely with all stakeholders, we then shape tailored integrated solutions that meet real application needs to resolve your challenges. Our strategic intent for our water solutions business is to have a robust portfolio of technologies so that our talented global organization can leverage a broad range of solutions to solve our customers' most pressing challenges in all segments, including municipal, industrial, specialty, and even residential markets. With that, I would like to introduce also our comprehensive portfolio and what we can offer. Our global scale, high quality manufacturing and differentiated technologies enable us to be the market shaping technology leader and problem solver. In addition to our previous legacy product range, such as ion exchange resins, FlameTech RO membranes, and pressurized OMAX UF membranes, we have now an offering of MBR, MABR. Sorry, I don't know what is this thing here. Sorry. Are you able to get rid of that? Okay. We now have an offering of MBR, MABR, CCROs, submerged UF, and degasifiers with our recent acquisitions from Memcor, Inge, Desalinitech, and Optimem. These acquisitions have continued to position DWS as a market leader for your water purification needs. So for more information, please refer to our website at www.dupont.com/water. You're also welcome to engage our salesperson at hiho.ng@dupont.com. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon. Do you all remember the Apollo space program? A lot of the parts that were in the astronauts' backpack and keeping the astronauts alive, and the life support systems, a lot of the other systems were having products made by our company. Our company is called Swa. It's an American company, and it manufactures, is a leading developer of fluid system components and solutions. These are little fittings, regulators, little things that control how fluids flow. So NASA and SpaceX now use our products because we have time warranty, which is the best and only one in the industry. From the mission to Mars to everyday plant operations, we are used wherever fluids flow. Now, these fluids, of course, includes water. So seawater in a desalination plant, steam in a regular power plant, steam when you steam your food. We used to be able to see in all those old 747s, Boeing 747, we used to see our products. And also now in advanced oxidation techniques such as SCWO, where you need to prototype, you have to use chemical engineering for fluids. We use that. Okay. So, sorry? Okay, sorry. Okay. While we have been supporting Singapore and its industries for the past 45 years, I'm happy. I'm so excited that we move about. I'm happy to be a new member of SWA and support Singapore on its journey to become the premier water hub in the region. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Chi Wenbo from Sino Hydro. Today, I'm very happy to be a new member of ASWE. So, I'm from the Sino Hydro Corporation Limited Singapore branch. We are branch office in Singapore. Actually, this one we belong to the power channel. This one the Sino Hydro and the Hydro channel and the different brand in 2012 merged to the power channel. Power channel is a very big group. Because we registered Singapore in 2011, so we don't change the name. For our company, regarding the water business, we can do the water catchment and irrigation, water supply, water treatment. And we also mix in the power plant, like the hydropower, and this one the chemical power and the new energy. And we also do this one the infrastructure job. So in Singapore, now we have the main project is we do the main con in the LT job. This one the MRT, commercial line, the T217 and the T227. We work with the sample design and construction as a joint venture. We also now we have the PUB project, the towards water reclamation plant. This one is a contractor 3C. This one we work as a US holding. So we also do the solar project for the LT the depot. So I hope and wish to have more opportunity to work with the other company in the future. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. So I'm Ikwan. I'm from Santa Environmental Technology Private Limited. So we are first established in 1996. Okay, Santa is a world-leading technology company. So we focus on membrane processes. So Santa was first listed on the SGX in 2003. Okay, 2003. Then after that we were taken private, and then we shift our business to mainly focus in China because we saw the large market opportunities there. Then in 2019 we were listed on Shanghai Star Board as the first Singapore company to be listed there. Then right now we are moving back to Singapore to develop our business internationally. So Santa business segment actually we do all three, B2B, which includes industrial wastewater treatment and process separation using membranes. B2C, where we have our purification systems, and then B2G as well. So we also do design municipal wastewater treatment plants. So up to date, Santa has actually built, designed, and commissioned municipal wastewater treatment plants that has a total capacity of more than 1 million tons a day. Also, we do not lack experience in designing of industrial wastewater plants. So we also have designed more than 30 industrial wastewater treatment plants, and then the total capacity also ranges up to millions of tons a day. So our long experience in this field actually has set up a good foundation for our works, and then so our long experience in the field actually set up our foundation. So we know how to use both polymeric and ceramic membranes. So having said this, I would like to re-emphasize the point that Santa Environmental Technology has a long history in membrane application in the industry and has slowly built up our reputation back in China. We are currently looking to expand internationally and is seeking to build meaningful relationships here. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Brian Lee. I'm the BD manager for Dialog Group for Southeast Asia. Dialog Group, we are originated German originated group. We provide a turnkey solutions to our industrial customer, and we have three main business segment: environmental technology, general contracting, and also on the composite. So we have we provide turnkey solutions to the industrial client, especially on the waste to energy or renewable energy, pharmaceutical, chemical, fine chemical, and also semiconductor or microelectronic. So Singapore is our HQ, and currently we have office in Malaysia, China, Vietnam, and also in Belgium. So we're starting from Singapore, and then we expand it to across the regions. At the moment, we have 960 employees from different nations, and on year 2019, we have revenue about Singapore dollar 277 million. We have executed more than 500 projects across 20 countries. Okay, so under our unique environmental technology, we offering different solutions, which is include solutions to the gases, liquid, and also solid. So in the gases, we do have a solutions for the high temperature oxidations, thermal oxidizer, in the catalytic and also non-catalytic denox system. We have a flare system, a scrubber system, and odor control system. In the liquid, we provide integrated system for chemical, biological treatment, slash processing, dewatering, thermal oxidizer, and also catalytic oxidizer. So beside this, we also offer solutions on the solid waste, on the oxidation process, especially for the hazardous waste treatment by using the technology of the rotary clean. And at the same time, we try to recover back the energy and reuse back as a steam to the plant. We are happy to join the family of SWA, and we are open for any kind of the collaborations, especially within the SWA family. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all. I am Prabha from a company called VA Tech Wabak. Actually, VA Tech Wabak origin is from Germany, and then the base has been shifted from Germany to Austria. So we are having an experience of more than 100 years as a group, and the base has been shifted from Austria to India. Now we are a listed company in India, and we are the multinational company and have presence in the 4 continents. And actually, we are a pure water player. We do the complete life cycle of the plant, starting from design, engineering, construction, procurement, and also operation and maintenance. And Wabak has patents in the water and wastewater technology. More than 100 patents we have. And our R&D center is located in India, Austria, and also in Swiss. So we have more than 2,300 projects in the last 3 decades. But if the total group, Wabak has been undergone a lot of acquisition and mergers. So if you take the overall experience, we have constructed more than 6,000 water and wastewater treatment plants all over the world. And our company has 30 years experience in the Southeast Asia and Middle East and India. So actually, we have a total turnover of more than $600 million. Coming to Singapore, we started in 2015. And then just we are in the service and maintenance business with PUB. And then we have now undergoing 12 to 15 projects with PUB, and slowly we are getting into the EPC also. We are doing the first project with TUAS, the TUAS wastewater treatment plant. We are doing the order control system for them. And yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, members of SWA. First, let me introduce myself. I'm Henry Neo, founder of AHF Industry. Okay, it's a great pleasure and honor for AHF to join SWA community as a new member and participate in this new orientation day. Okay, first, let me briefly introduce AHF Industry. Okay, AHF Industry established in Singapore, since 1987. Okay, so it's almost 33 years of history in Singapore, and we actually grow into into a group, under AHF group, and we are present in actually 9 countries, namely in Singapore, Malaysia, Vietnam, Australia, Korea, China, India, UAE, and Qatar. Okay, our main manufacturing facility, which is producing what we call, if you have the next slide. Okay, in the year 2002, actually, we have a collaboration with a Korean company to develop a range of valve actuators. Okay, so we are now producing valve actuators, pneumatic, electric. Okay, the brand name is called iTalk Control. You can see, this is both in pneumatic and electric, for quarter ton, for multi-ton. So this actually will couple together with valve, to do the process control for water or wastewater treatment. Okay, you can see the range. You can actually, our location for our iTalk is in Korea, but we have also established now a new factory in India, which is in Coimbatore. Okay, that was about 8 years ago. And so we actually can supply our actuators worldwide, assist any control or any valve control requirement. Okay, so if you have any query, maybe you can visit our website at ahfindustry.com. Okay, thank you very much.
Hi, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Tan Wiki, representing Wastewater Asia Pacific. We are glad that we are able to join SWA family. Yeah, so basically, Wastewater has been established since 1936, HQ in USA, and currently we have production facility in US, Canada, Switzerland, and also New Zealand. Oh, sorry for spelling. So basically, our main product is the pilot-operated control valve, and throughout these years, we have improved or upgrade the product. It no longer just do the normal pilot-operated control. It has also come with electronic control. So we have on the top like metering, position control, timer control, and we also develop our own plug-in flow meter, display, position, transmitter, and the new one would be the power generator also. So we start with the hydraulic, the normal automatic control valve. Then with all the different pilots, this control valve can work with different functions like pressure reducing, pressure relief, rate of flow control, etc. Then we have the electronic control that allow the valve to work multiple functions. So not only purely on pressure reducing, it can be pressure reducing with rate of flow control. So it's a combination now. And with that, we realized that in some of the countries, remote site may not have power to run this electronics. So we actually have a power generator. And so it makes the valve to be self-contained, that you do not need to lay cables to the valve, which is very costly. Then we also have flow meter that is plugged into our valve. So that will save the chamber space and also position feedback. So you know whether the valve is functioning or not, whether is it operating as what you want. And then we have the communication, which then transmit the data back to the control room. Thank you. So if you need any more details, please contact us. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Yang Jia from Crystal Clear. Crystal Clear is a wastewater treatment company founded in 2011. Our core business in wastewater treatment and industry wastewater treatment, and in underwater purification. We conduct business in China, Myanmar, Cambodia, and Singapore. We include the design product. So if you have any wastewater treatment problem, don't be shy to contact us. I think we are very happy to join the SWA family. So if anyone have the wastewater treatment product program, don't be shy to contact us. That's all. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Goh Kwan Deng. I'm from Ecological Asia, the Asia Office of Ecological Laboratory in USA. We are a bacteria research and manufacturing company. Bacteria is our only culture in fact. Right? So what you see is that we have a bacteria that is very complex, with very broad range, mostly applied in environmental applications, the wastewater treatment plant, both industrial and domestic. We also apply in polluted river, treatment lake, even commercial aquaculture, as well as ornamental fish in the aquarium shop. So that is our product. And next slide, please. I will just share two case examples here. One is in Bangladesh, a big star wastewater treatment plant in Dhaka, where the biological system is not working at all. So I went in, I had a look at it, and I introduced our bacteria to make it work. The second one is the anaerobic digester in Korea, where we help to reduce the sludge built up inside and at the same time increase the biogas generation. So these are what we use. We also use in commercial aquaculture and crop agriculture as well. So for those who have water treatment problem, please contact me. I'm more than happy to discuss with you how our bacteria can help you. Thank you.
So my name's Mark. I'm from a company called FiberSense, and maybe if you're looking at this slide, you're wondering if I'm in the wrong room. The next slide should hopefully explain it. So we're a technology company that focuses on optical fibers, photonics, and acoustic signal processing, sound signal processing. And one of the things we're aiming to do over the next few years as a relatively new company is to, pretty ambitious goal, to wire up many major cities with our systems around the world to enable us to detect all sorts of moving objects such as vehicles, pedestrians and other things, and also to detect events such as can occur in linear assets, which I'll get to in a moment. So a fairly ambitious goal. Can I have the next slide, please? How does that relate to water? You can see on this slide here, if you look at the top left, the basic technology is, imagine a box of optoelectronics sitting at one end of an optical fibre, running over up to 50 kilometres. And then right along that fibre, we can detect all sorts of moving objects. We can certainly detect things like jackhammering and digging, provide advance warning, say to a water company or a telecom company that the asset's about to be broken or they're potentially damaged. We can also detect things like leaks, burst mains, etc. So here's an example on the bottom right, of Singapore. In Singapore, back in March, mechanical digging detected. They're able to pinpoint the location in real time, go there and took a photo of the activity right near, in this case, the power line and water line and the telecommunications cable. So for water infrastructure, this is all about protecting the asset, providing early warning of dangerous activity near a fibre or near a water pipe, I should say, and also detecting leaks. Thank you very much.
Okay. Hi, everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Andrew Lau. I'm the General Manager of Ovivo Singapore. Ovivo is a global providers of equipment, system, and technologies for the treatment of water, wastewater around the world. Industry focus includes municipals, electronics, energy, and industrial sectors. We have about 50,000 over install base around the world from many well-known heritage brands. Our head office is located in Montreal, Canada, and we have about 1,000 employees worldwide. Next slide. A very quick snapshot of Ovivo products. Our product and technologies are often found in a very stringent environment, high demand plant environment. We offer a full range of the seawater intake screening system for nuclear power plant, conventional power plants, LNG terminals, and petrochemical facilities. And we specialize also in the treatment of condensate polishing treatments for the especially ultra super critical boilers and turbines in the power plant in Asia, in Southeast Asia. It's very, very critical for the condensate treatment to maintain the very high turbine efficiency. And the wastewater portfolio also includes silicon carbide membrane system that handles very high temperatures, high strain waste, oily wastewaters that at a very high flux, resulting in a very compact layout. And finally, Ovivo also offer a water expert system. It is a complete plant equipment system asset digital platform that combines real-time data monitoring, alarm system management, maintenance scheduling, as well as knowledge-based library, including the interaction videos, trainings, and drawings and O&M manuals, all in one single easily used applications. Thank you. Thank you for your time.
Hi, everyone. Thanks to give me the opportunity to share our new technology. I'm Emmanuel Bouquet, founder of Curated Water, actually a very young Singaporean company, just 3 years old. And we present an innovative and sustainable new technology for treating the water to remove all the bacteria and virus using a patented system based on electrolyzers. So our process allow you to provide safe water in two ways. We can use it in a very easy, simple first way, and can provide potable water production with the production of natural oxidants. So the advantage of our technology is we do not touch the composition of the water. The nutrients are still intact in the water. Also, the oxidant that we created as a remaining effect. So they stay in the water for more than two to three weeks. So allow us to remove all the biofilm from the pipes and avoiding the recontamination of the water. So we have this system totally chemical free, which allow us to be totally green and sustainable. So our activity can be used very easily on bespoke solution, because we can be used on construction, building, for potable water, but also in agriculture and livestock to water the plants and the animals. The second use is the sanitized solution when we're recycling the water and increase the amount of oxidants. So it's a very good alternative to all the chemical cleaning for fruit and vegetables. So thank you so much. Do not hesitate to contact me. Yeah, here we go.
Good afternoon, everyone, VIP and members. My name is Jason Donovan, not the singer. I'm from Q Assets. So it's basically Q Asset is an innovation management company. We are founded back in 2011 by our CEO Chibu Boma, who has experience leading the testing and inspection companies A+ RTD. We have 4 offices globally. Our service is basically asset management consultancy by the means of digital tooling. And also we help clients to develop new innovation services. As you can see that we have several awards. We just recently one of the finalists of the Energy Innovation Challenges by Enterprise Singapore that is focusing on workflow and asset management. And we also won 2 years in a row of FD Gasoline. This is a Dutch award for most fast-growing innovative companies. I pull up a list of clients that's relevant to the water industries, but basically we are working on 5 different sectors. We name it like other than water is oil and gas, petrochemicals, energy, and also public infrastructure. So we try to combine our domain knowledge of our experts, like we do have internal 3D developer, software developers, robotic engineers, and robotic consultants, and with the help of that, combined with the business solutions on how to create and optimize assets like water underground or water reclamation upper ground infrastructures, trying to get the balance between cost, performance, and also risk. A few of the flavor of the digital tooling that we give is mixed reality, in which we combine HoloLens, second level HoloLens ruggedized version, to be used on the ground technicians. So with the COVID situation, there's a remote access. We beat the distance issue between the ground technicians as well as the people in the office, as well as the other three digital workflows. We do have internal digital twins team, as well as business intelligence for CapEx and OpEx forecasting and renewal planning. Thank you.
So, hi everybody. We are SEPCO 3, which stands for Shandong Electric Power Construction Company. And the abbreviation, the 3 means there are 1 and 2 also. So always call us SEPCO 3. Now what we do, we build, operate, and invest in water desalination plants, power plants, and we have done 70 gigawatt globally. Coal gas plants, a dying industry, but still in Africa, some part of Southeast Asia. Solar and wind, we have done hundreds in China. This is our revenue last year. Headquarters, Qingdao, international in Dubai, and we have plans for Asia Pacific. This is about the parent company, the group, Power China, listed. It has gone up to 157. We are number 5 by ENR, which is the EPC Bible magazine in the US. Group revenues reach $500 billion renminbi, not billion, trillion. Huge number of employees, 92,000. We are not just construction company, we are R&D company. We have 12,000 patents, rated very highly as far as construction company goes. And some sample, we are the biggest in the world for power plant. We have done the biggest desal plants in the world. We have done the biggest CSP plants in the world. These are examples in MENA, Jubail, Tawila, which is right now the biggest. We are the turnkey EPC contractor. And this is a huge power plant, gas, that we did. This we did with Sembcorp in Singapore, in Bangladesh, Yangon, renewable. We've done over 100 projects, concentrated. And this is a CSP, which is heliostatic or parabolic. Coal-fired, some example. In Kalimantan, Barat. Call me. This is just a sample. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Solihi Industry is a local company. We are the supplier of industry heater, mainly electric, and chemical pump, filter system, rectifier, and like instrument sensor for surface industry, semiconductor, aerospace, medical, and other industry. We started our food water industry business some years ago when we see demand in the power supply and electric heater and filter pump and this insoluble anode. Okay, thank you very much.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Yong Zhen, and I am from Swiss Pro Private Limited. We are HQ here in Singapore since 2004. We focus initially in the regional demand for the water filtrations for indoor applications. Traditionally, we are talking about the residential and the commercial use to provide the safe drinking water for them in the neighboring countries. So here in Singapore, we are very fortunate to have safe drinking water from the tap. Therefore, our service is really to provide a lifestyle for the users here in Singapore. So we are talking about providing them with direct filtrations, less time wasted to boil the water, no energy required, and also hot and cold on demand when they need at their homes. So we do also offer sparkling solutions if needed. So in the recent years, we also work with hotel operators to provide them with eco-friendly solutions to reduce the mass consumption of plastic bottled waters in their facilities. So just a reference, if we talk about a hotel with 400 rooms and the facilities, we are looking at about easily 600,000 plastic bottles every year. So these are the solutions that we work together with hotel operators here in Singapore, right? So Swiss Pro, we are also the regional sales office of Curated Group. It's a Swiss company who is the manufacturer and market leader for outdoor water treatments for outdoor leisure and the marine sectors. So in this region, Asia Pacific, we work mostly with the government, with the militaries and the NGO to provide safe drinking water in their challenging regions and environment. So the water that we deal mostly is like very turbid water, contaminated, and sometimes even the nearest source is actually the seawater. So our products are designed to be portable and off the grid, which means that even our RO desalination systems can be powered by the solar panel only. All right. So please feel free to approach us if you have any requirements, and I look forward to work and collaborate with all of you here. Thank you.
Hello. Hi, afternoon, everyone. My name is Yi Chen. I'm representing my company, Viscoy Private Limited. All right. So if you see on this the PPT slide, the company Viscoy is basically an inspection equipment and solutions provider. Right. We started off in 2014. Right. And the company has grew to represent a range of manufacturers from Europe and USA mainly. So other than just distributing and providing inspection equipment solutions, we also provide on-site services, professional advice on how you should tackle specific inspection problems, after-sales service, and after-sales support. Now, here are a range of inspection equipment that our company currently has to offer. Okay, from equipment as small as industrial endoscope. These are very specialized cameras that are as small as 0.5 mm in diameter, and they can go up to 8 mm in diameter, right? And crawlers, robotic crawlers, and CCTVs and push cameras for SWO inspection, pipeline inspection, usually for new built pipes, newly built constructions, right? And our latest addition is actually a confined space drone or an indoor drone, if you will, that can be used to perform inspection where you do not want a man to go inside this dangerous or hazardous environment, right? Last but not least, The next product we have is a corrosion monitoring solution. This is actually something that was recently, we recently have a project with PUB on one of their search vessels to monitor the corrosion thickness of the search vessel in relation to the H2S corrosion that they are finding in their tank. Right. The last but not least is the extra mile that the company has started off is to provide customized solutions, inspection aids to help with these standard RVI systems and bring better solutions, customized ideas, and specific answers or specific solutions to problem statements that our customer has offered to us. For example, ExxonMobil, Shell, PUB, and a lot of other customers of ours. Thank you.
Thank you, members. I see everyone is so focused and engrossed on the presentations, but don't worry, we will send the deck over to all attendees today. Please enjoy your snack and drink meanwhile. Now, let us now enjoy a fresh video of 6 member companies who cannot be with us today. Thank you. Now, I would like to open the Q&A segment to the on-site audiences first. Please identify yourself before you ask any questions. Anyone from the floor?
Hi, good evening, everybody. I'm from the membership committee of SWA. I don't have a Q&A, but I was thinking that if you have any new members have any questions related to SWA, is that as an organization, what we can do for you, or any questions pertaining to our events, or any questions pertaining to what we do, any support you need, any of the questions are welcome. You can also do that later, but I was just thinking, breaking the ice, if there are any questions which you guys might have.
So I don't have a question, but I have a comment. I find SWA very efficient, very welcoming, and they answer queries, questions, email extraordinarily quickly. It's very personal. So thank you very much.
For a moment, I thought you want to complain. Because we spoke numerous times on text and WhatsApp over weekends, over the New Year. Happy New Year. So I presume there's no questions from the floor as well as from the online audiences. And thank you. This concludes our event for today. For the selected companies, please stay back at your table where our media partner, Water and Wastewater Asia, would like to have the doorstop interview with you. For further queries on SWA, please contact our colleagues and we will follow up with a short survey after this event if you have any B2B meeting requests. Once again, thank you for your attendance and support. See you soon and have a blessed year to come. Thank you.